Morning, Ben Walkham from Astute Asset Management. Just wanted to show you the difference between a professional clean and an amateur clean. Here we are looking at some smooth face mocha coloured blocks. They're being done here. We did at the test area. We're unsuccessful with the job due to being a little bit higher in price, but this is what you get when you pay a little bit cheaper. From this joint on the right hand side, this is the test panel that we cleaned. As you can see, it looks pretty even through there. And then from the left hand side, you can see that's the company that I think was successful in doing it. And I'm hoping that's coming up on the camera. A little bit hard to see on my end from the sunshine. But if I zoom in a little bit closer, I'm going to point out, you can see this sort of inconsistent patch here with a little bit extra exfoliation where they've used a little bit too much pressure or the cleaner's been too strong. So if you want to get a professional finish on your block walls, masonry products, AAM's the place to go.